Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the LC questions. First question, what is social responsibility of business? These days, the scale of measurement and evaluation of business is not as it used to be about the 50 years ago. At that time, only that business organization was considered good, which was the earning profit for its owner. But today, the situation is absolutely changed. Today, the responsibility of business is not limited to its owner, but it has assumed large dimension. Business has to look towards the interests of many other parties along with the interest of owner, the employee, consumer, supplier, competitor, government, community, even the world happen to be the other parties. Today only that the business is considered good, which keep in mind the interests of these party along with the interests of the owner. This responsibility of business, which include the satisfaction of the parties along with the owner, is called the social responsibility of business. The social responsibility of business, if take care of in the present, ensure the success of organization in future. It is possible that in the beginning of an organization may have to bear the financial burden resulting from its social responsibility, but the future of organization become secure. Next, how do workers force business to follow the social responsibility? In reality, business operated by human beings have realized their culture and social obligation toward their community, which has indirectly promoted their survival and existence. If the management and the owner happen to be a different, the manager have the following responsibility towards the owner: to ensure the safety of the capital and to ensure the proper dividend, timely payment of the dividend, informing about the progress of the organization by presenting correct account, to ensure the proper utilizations of invest capital, and to treat different type of shareholder equally. Employ from the reasoning and sensitive element of the productions, their feelings should be given special attention. If the employee are certified, the enterprise can achieve all-round progress. Manager have the following chief responsibility towards the employee: giving them appropriate remunerations, providing clean working atmospheres, and respecting the individual dignity, giving them a share of profit, and giving security of service, giving participation in the management, adopting incentive giving systems, and solving labor problem in time, providing the for their education and training, providing opportunity for promotion and development. And for, it is meaningless to think about the business without the consumer. When consumer are so important for business, it is equally important for business to perform some function for them, to make available good quality goods at cheap rate, to bring out reality in the advertisement, to avoid to provide after sales service, to make goods available according to their taste of the consumer, to make the good available to the consumer at the nearest point, to be a civil and polite the consumer, treating customer like god, and solving their problem politely, to avoid the profiteer and stock peeling, etc. Next question, what is a legal responsibility of business? All the business have the legal responsibility toward their customer, toward the government, and towards the society. They have to follow within a boundary. Since business organizations are the part of the society, they have to positive attitude towards the needs of the society. Business is only subsystems of society, and this subsystem must be contribute to the welfare of main system. Therefore, the decision taken by the manager should take into the consideration welfare of not only his organization but also the welfare of other subsystem, so the entire society of complete system is benefited. When one system think of the welfare of other subsystem, the others also come into the help, which finally result in the welfare of all. If business does not care of social responsibility, the government interfere increasing in the business system, which adversely affect the progress of business. Therefore, the manager should given the priority to social responsibility of business to avoid the excessive government interference. Thank you.